Hello, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we'll show you how to find the GCF of numbers using prime factorization. GCF is the greatest number that divides exactly into two or more numbers. It is also called HCF, the highest common factor, or GCD, the greatest common divisor. Let's get started with our first pair of numbers, 18 and 27. We'll express each number as a product of prime numbers. Let's first find the prime factor of 18 using a factor tree. 18 is even, so we'll branch it out as 2 times 9. 9 can be written as 3 times 3. 3 is a prime number, so our branching ends here. We'll now find the prime factors of the number 27. We'll branch out 27 into 3 times 9. 3 is a prime number, but 9 is composite. We'll express 9 as 3 times 3. Now, 3 is a prime number and can't be factored any further. Let's list out the prime factors of both these numbers in ascending order. 18 can be written as 2 times 3 times 3, and 27 can be expressed as 3 times 3 times 3. We'll look for the common factors in both lists. We have two 3's common. Multiplying the common factors, 3 times 3, we have 9. And that is our GCF. Let's understand the application of GCF in our everyday life with this scenario. Irene is celebrating her little artist's birthday. She has 24 brushes and 36 assorted paint bottles to fill her goodie bags with. Irene wants to distribute them evenly so that each bag has the same number of brushes and paint bottles and no items are left over. What is the greatest number of goodie bags that Irene can make? How many paintbrushes and bottles will go into each goodie bag? Irene has 24 paintbrushes and 36 paint bottles, so we need to find the GCF of 24 and 36. 24 branches as 2 times 12. 12 branches, 2 times 6. 6 can be split as 2 times 3. We'll find the prime factors of 36 as well. 36 can be written as 2 times 18, and 18 can be split as 2 times 9. 9 can be branched as 3 times 3. Therefore, 24 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And 36 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2, 2, and 3 are the factors common to 24 and 36. And the product of the common primes is 12. So the maximum number of goodie bags that Irene can make is 12. To find out how many brushes and paint bottles go into each of the 12 goodie bags, we need to divide 24 brushes evenly into 12 goodie bags, ending up with 2 brushes in each. And 36 paint bottles split into 12 goodie bags will leave us with 3 paint bottles. So each goodie bag contains 2 brushes and 3 paint bottles. The goodie bags are ready. That was pretty simple. Let's move on to find the GCF of 3 numbers this time: 42, 56, and 98. We'll begin with factoring 42 into 2 times 21. 21 is broken into 3 times 7. Both 3 and 7 are prime. Now, let's move on to factoring 56. We'll break down 56 into 2 times 28 and branch out 28 as 2 times 14. 14 can be further split into 2 times 7. Let's factor 98. We'll branch it as 2 times 49. 49 is only divisible by 7. We'll split it as 7 times 7. Let's list out the factors of all 3 numbers. 42 can be written as 2 times 3 times 7. 56 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. And 98 can be written as 2 times 7 times 7. 2 and 7 are the factors common in all the lists. The product of the common primes is 14, and that is our GCF too. But what if the numbers have no common factors? For instance, 15 and 49. 15 can be expressed as 3 times 5, and 49 as 7 times 7. There are no factors in common. Hold on. Remember, 1 is a factor of every number, although it is not written. So the GCF here is 1. The numbers whose GCF is 1 are called coprimes. With all these examples, finding GCF will no longer feel like a chore. Visit www.tutoringhour.com for learning and practice rolled-in-one exercises that amazingly fit around. The description box has the link. Make sure you click though. Smash the likes right now! Don't forget to share the video with your friends. A click on the subscribe button is all you need to do to stay connected, so don't miss out doing that. Thanks for watching Tutoring Hour.